Hey everyone, Ryan here from Foxtecc. If you're seeing that red dot notification on your iPhone's phone app and want to know how to remove it, I'm going to walk you through the steps to get rid of it right now. First, open up the Phone app on your iPhone. Once you're in, head over to the Voicemail tab. Most of the time, the red dot shows up because you have new or unheard voicemails. So check for any new voicemails and listen to them. If you don't have any new ones, but the red dot is still there, try deleting some old voicemails. Cleaning out old voicemails can sometimes clear up the issue. Now, if that doesn't work, go ahead and restart your iPhone. A simple restart can refresh everything and often resolves little bugs like this one. After your iPhone turns back on, check again if the red dot is gone. If it's still sticking around, we'll move on to the next steps. Next, open up the Settings app and tap on Notifications. Scroll down until you find Phone and tap on it. Here, you'll want to adjust the Badges toggle. Turning off the Badges option will disable the red dot, and you can turn it back on if you prefer having it show up when there's something new. Finally, if the red dot is still not going away, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version. Updating your iPhone can fix minor bugs and issues like this one. Thanks for watching. Hopefully, these steps helped you remove that red dot notification. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. See you later.